Hi guys, I hope you're all doing good and welcome back to another exciting episode of What is Your Hobby. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at all the basic patterns used in embroidery, and by the time we finish this tutorial, you'll have all the basic skills that you need to jump off for your first embroidery project. So let's dive right into the video and see what's in store for us. Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be learning how to do pistil stitch and interlaced running stitch. Pistil stitch is similar to French knot that we have learned earlier, except this one has a long tail, which is a combination of straight stitch and French knot. It's ideal for working the centers of the flowers or even for borders. Now to get started, bring the needle from the back of the fabric and go to the front a little to the length you want the stitch to be. Place the needle near the fabric and wrap the thread around the needle once or twice. Gently pull the thread so the wrapped thread is tightening against the needle, and insert the needle near the point where you need the knot and hold the thread by your left hand till the entire strand passes through the knot. The knot is left behind at the end of the stitch. We repeat the process. Bring the needle up and wrap the thread around the needle. Insert the needle gently and pull the needle back, making a knot at the end. Continue the process till you reach the desired pattern. And as the name suggests, it looks like a pistil of the flower, which is also handy for flower if you're making any flower design. But this pattern does not stop here. You can go ahead and make the whole flower design as well. Make sure to use the pattern to add to your flower designs or other patterns. Now let's look into interlaced running stitch. For this stitch, we will start with a line of running stitch, each stitch the same width and evenly spaced apart. Complete this to whatever length your finished line will be and finish off the end on the back. Here I've completed the running stitch. If you want, you can always go back and check it out from the previous lessons. Now the next step is to rethread your needle with the second color and come up underneath and in the middle of the first stitch. And now what we do is we weave this thread through that line of stitches. Going over and under without piercing the fabric, you will notice a wave-like pattern has formed with the red thread. Before securing the knot, I like to adjust the thread. Finish by passing the needle at the end of the design. Pull the thread down and secure with a knot. In a similar fashion, work on the next thread with another color thread or the same color thread based on your likings. And go over and under each stitch again, making sure not to pierce the fabric. You could use the same color thread for both and have a simple chain, but I think it provides more possibilities using two colors. Also, you can use this stitch for filling the flowers or any patterns. It can be also used as beautiful border design. That's it guys, I hope that was really helpful, and if you want to learn more cool patterns, go check it out on our website, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.